Hi, welcome to JRS Innovation training video. In this session, we will talk about how the latest Samsung DEX will help the heavy vehicle inspection application. So in this tutorial, we have two new hardware. The one is the Samsung DEX and the other one is the Samsung Galaxy S8, the new phone. And what we are trying in this video, we are connecting the DEX and the phone to a big display. So this is a 27-inch HP display, and you can use any traditional display what you typically use with your laptop or workstation. So this 27-inch display is connected to the DEX device using the basic ports. So what I see here is a HDMI cable that is connecting to the back of this display. So the HDMI cable and the power. And on my DEX device, we have these two USB ports, and those are basically one of your keyboard and the other is mouse. And this is the charging of your phone. So in nutshell, it has one HDMI connector and two USB cables. And now when we connect this, we will see all our phone display directly zoomed to this big screen. So what does it mean? That we get all the capabilities of a web application or having a laptop directly to your mobile phone. And our heavy vehicle inspection app is fully adapted to work with this. So our app is specially customized to work with the DEX. Now if you are looking first time to install the application, then I would recommend that you go here where you see the mouse and click on that. Now this will open a screen which says apps for DEX. We would click on this star icon, or we can directly search here the application. So I would use a traditional keyboard to type it, and I will just type heavy, and then it should automatically find the application. If you don't have already installed, you could click on the apps for DEX, double click on that. It will open the screen, and here on the search icon we can type, and I think this is the only application with the DEX for vehicle inspection. So I would just type heavy, and this was here our application is heavy vehicle inspection. I double click on that. Now this will display me all the details about the application, and we can install it as we already have it installed. So I will open the application for us. Now that's the biggest advantage, as you see, because you can have your mobile phone, take it to the vehicle or the equipment in the field, take the pictures, make your notes, and if you are comfortable using the traditional keyboard and the mouse feature, then connect your phone and open the application. Now you will see a book full screen view of all the features of the software. Now to quickly get to an idea that overall how the application would work here. So we see, I presume that you have your profile, which you would go here, and under the user profile you would create your user profile. That would be the first step to start utilizing the software. Once you have it, your user profile, we will quickly check the basic features. So here in the big icons, first one we have the new inspection, and what it does, it gives you option to start and create a new inspection. Once you complete the inspection and it generates the PDF document, the document comes in the dashboard. So in the next section you would see all your prior inspections maintenance work orders, inspection reports for any vehicle. And the third section with this vehicle symbol is the vehicle inventory. So this section keeps all your vehicle inventory details. You can filter all your vehicles based on the category, based on the maintenance type. Like any vehicles which are under the maintenance, you could filter them. We could filter them based on what level of or stage of maintenance they are. And we can check many more details. Once we get to that, we'll see that. The checklist manager is the one where you can define your checklist for each category of vehicle. For example, we have 5 different or 7 different categories. So there we have a default. Then we have a daily checklist for the vehicles. We have the excavator, forklift, motor grader, tractor, and continuous miner. So all the checklists have number of items that need to be inspected as part of the inspection. And afterwards comes the inspection history. So for each vehicle, we can go there and look the specific history for a vehicle. What it means is, let's say if we do an inspection every month and we want to see past 12 months, the inspection history will have 12 such records, one after another, where you could check all the details in the sequence. So it maintains kind of a digital diary of your vehicle. You have all the information related to past inspections, work orders, and maintenance performed on those vehicles. And here another section is the maintenance work order history, and that maintains any details about maintenance performed on a specific vehicle. And the last section is scheduler and task reminder. So if you would like to set up certain vehicles for routine maintenance or routine checkup, you could set those schedules here and it will remind you with a notification. And the task reminder is a general task reminder. Let's say you have to buy the items for inventory. You could do that by coming to this step. So we will go in a vehicle inventory and we'll check how that will look. So we see 3 different vehicles in the inventory right now. And what we see here is that we have a number of options to sort it. So one could sort it, and then we have a variety of filters. So we could set it alphabetically, old to new, and then the filters are based on maintenance priority. So we could pick what kind of maintenance work is going on. We can filter inventory items which are under the high priority maintenance, or those are going through emergency maintenance. It will bring those only records. So that will help pretty if you have more than 100 vehicles in your fleet and they are remotely distributed. This process makes much easier to filter out specific inventory items. And when we click on a specific equipment, it gives us option. Now that's a very interesting option. We can